channel, guys. In this video we're going to talk about how to get the calves massaged. I don't know why I said that all weird, but okay, now we're getting the gastroc medius, pounding that away. Now down to the soleus, back up to the gastroc, the center of the gastroc. Now going down the outside of the gastroc, down to the outside of the soleus, outside gastroc again. Center, the meaty part of the gastroc is always going to have a lot of tissue there, so make sure you get that. Now down to the soleus on the other side. I like starting at the soleus and the Achilles, and then working your way up from there, then going around the outside and inside of the gastroc. Make sure you get the front of the shin as well, the anterior tibialis. We did not film that part, but and make sure you have your partner give you a thumbs up if it's in a good spot.
Like and subscribe for more content like this coming your way. Thank you very much. Bye.